Hi, and a huge welcome to our smart reseller community, and welcome to another That's a Smart Idea, the weekly 1-minute video, which very rarely lasts a minute, guys. You know, we've got so much to say here at Smart, where we here at Smart help you, our smart reseller community, sell more smart business products into your customers and add value to your smart business proposition. So today, this is part 2 of the power of the QR code. This is what we started last week, where we were talking about Teamworks. I'm still in a meeting. I've been here all week. Charlie is looking a bit tired now. He's been in this call all week with me, where we're showing off the power of the QR code. So we're here on a call. Thanks, Charlie. Thanks for joining me again. I really appreciate your time. We're going to talk about how we can actually share content in a call using the whiteboard, and how Charlie can collaborate remotely as well. So you'll notice before we launched the call, we were sharing an Excel sheet with Charlie, but we're going to move on to a whiteboard session now. And the way we move on to a whiteboard session, I go straight into our whiteboarding application. We're now in our workspace. Charlie, you can see the whiteboard, can't you?
I can indeed. Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you, obviously, that we can pick up a pen and we can mark on the board straight away, and Charlie can see that. He's actually seeing that just as if we were sharing a screen in a Teams call. But what I want to do with Charlie right now is be able to actually get Charlie involved in the session. And the way that I would get Charlie involved in the session is I go to our feature here for Share Workspace. Now, again, this is going to be using the power of the QR code. So what I'm going to be able to do is if I click on Share Workspace with Charlie, Charlie will now see a QR code appear on a screen, and he will be able to scan that from his remote location, or it could be people who are sat in the room with us. They could scan it and they can join us. Okay, so if I wanted Charlie to join me right now, Charlie, would you mind scanning that? You've scanned that. Brilliant.
I've scanned it.
Okay. So Charlie is in, and I know Charlie is in because now we have 2 participants in the call, and I can see Charlie's in there. But Charlie can't do anything right now. We can just observe the whiteboard. What we want to be able to do is give Charlie access to the board. So what we're going to do right now, if I click on Charlie Leverton and click on the RW, that gives Charlie read-write access. So right now on Charlie's app, he will actually see a pen that allows him to annotate on the screen, and I can see he's written on the board. So he's able to bring that up. Now, I'm still leading the meeting. If I wanted to, I could bring a document into this meeting right now. So if I brought up a document, say like a PDF, what we can do, I can be talking to Charlie, and if I double tap my screen now, that's front and center on Charlie's screen. But Charlie can still annotate over that. He can make annotations directly over that as well as I can. So if I wanted to, I could just draw a pen over that. Are you able to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's just, there we go. We can see Charlie's annotation there. And if I go on to the next page, Charlie's following me. Again, I might be annotating here, and Charlie might highlight something on the documents here as well. And again, we can annotate over here, and Charlie can annotate on the documents also. And you'll see that when we annotate over that document, the annotations stay on the pages where we made the annotations. If I double tap it, shrink it down, we can see that we've got, we can carry on with something else. So this is again another feature of Smart Teamworks, and it's another feature where we're using an easy to access QR code in the room. So that concludes the 2 parts for That's a Smart Idea, and with us using the QR code, and we're talking about the power of the QR code. I'd like to give a big thank you to Charlie for joining me today. Charlie, thanks very much for that, Charlie. I think that's been really useful for our end users and our resellers to see the power of the QR code. I'd like to remind our smart resellers out there that Smart Ideas is for you. If you have any ideas or subjects you want us to cover in future, That's a Smart Idea, please reach out to us. You can also see old editions of That's a Smart Idea on our YouTube page. I've actually posted a link in the description for the video today. But on behalf of myself and Charlie, I'd like to thank you for joining us on That's a Smart Idea. Until next time, we'll see you on That's a Smart Idea. Thank you.